Welcome everybody. We're going to jump into Cardano 88 for a quick price chart update. I wanted to follow up from my last video. Cardano was around this area trading sideways and consolidating, trying to see where if it could find some support on this 0.382. And I had said based off of our previous neckline, we were either going to come back up to this level between $2.55 to $2.58 and retest that support line, or we would come down, lose the support here at the 0.382 and come back down to retest this $2.02 level from a previous low back on September 7. And that's exactly what happened. We did wake down as low as $1.97. However, that target was still met. I think Cardano could still come back down to this 0.50 to test this for support and see if it can consolidate and hold it for further upside. And if it loses this 0.50, we could come back down to this point, or this 1.87, $1.87. We can see that we did find support back on August 17 at this mark. So we can come back down as low as that to retest that, or possibly even the 0.618, which is at $1.81. And if we go on our RSI, we can see that earlier this morning when we retested this $2.02, we had created a double bottom at around 22.23 on our RSI. And then we found some volume, which gave us this increase in price. So right now we are just trading sideways a bit around this $2.15 level. So just keep an eye out on these indicators, look at the volume, and have this fib chart laid out when you're thinking of getting into a position, because there's a lot of good entry points here that we have been hitting spot on. And if this downtrend continues, then these will be great entry points. However, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only. I just want to share with you guys these indicators that I'm using just to have your best entry and best exit. So I also wanted to share with you guys the DXY, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it lines up perfectly to our previous bull market. We could see that in the past. Currently our DXY topped at 93.44. It's currently at 93.25.26, but we can see in the past, if we go back to March, that's when we first started picking up on crypto, on Bitcoin and all altcoins. But we can see in the beginning of April all the way to May, we had that bull run, and we can see that the DXY was on a downtrend. Meanwhile, crypto was on an uptrend. And then once we topped out on crypto around mid-May, the DXY was on an uptrend and Bitcoin and crypto was on a downtrend. However, I have this line here because I do think this is a strong line of resistance. We can see we've tested it several times in the past, especially when we had our previous bull run. And this is overall good because when we have a falling DXY, we have a rising crypto market. So it's just something that I wanted to share with you guys. That way you guys can also keep an eye on this, and gives you a better overall perspective of where the market is going. But going back to Cardano, just wanted to share with you guys this chart one last time. So set these limit orders in, these buy orders. That way you can get in at the lowest price before this market reverses and moves up to the upside. So if you guys enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Thank you guys so much for your support. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one.